We are here at Watkins Glen, New York for the GoBowling.com race. Watkins Glen International Race. What birthday? Happy 33rd, my love.
Thank you.
We are here, Victory Lane, as we're getting ready for 90 laps of fun.
Sounds good to me.
Got the Essential Workers Pass, so again, she's got hers as well. So we're ready to do work here. Vlog work, as always.
Right now, you're wasting your time simming anything this weekend.
You think you can handle all that horsepower? Get in one of those cars, sub in?
I would crash so hard.
It's simple, you know, you just brake, you gas. You know how to drive a stick, right?
You remember go-karting with me?
You were slow, but I mean, you survived. It'd be better than me, I would crash. That's my favorite right there.
Yeah.
You know what the crazy thing is as well too, is these are like just like souped up models of like Toyotas and all this. It's just crazy to think.
And they're all plastic.
Yeah. Very lightweight to like just handle.
Lights don't work. Just like Lightning McQueen.
But here we are on pit road.
Yeah, I like how they light up.
Especially if it gets late. Well, again, think if it gets cloudy.
Yeah.
Got to make sure that, yeah, they can see. I see a bowling pin. Had to be this close to the actual drivers.
Yeah, it's really cool to see the cars up close and not have to be in the nosebleeds like, you know, most people are.
Absolutely. Got your pit boxes and everything. Alright, so we took a tour of pit road. We saw a couple of deliveries. I'm going for whoever's driving the Eagle Waffle one. How about you? The Allegiant? Which one? Menards?
I don't know, I really like the red one.
The red? That one?
I like the red one. I go by colors.
This one apparently.
Yeah, I go by, for NASCAR, I go by colors.
Let's see, number 7.
Yeah.
77.
It's like, for me in sports, I mean, football teams, I go by how much I like their mascot. Race car, NASCAR, I go by how much I like the colors. That's just me.
So she's going for the red one.
The red.
77. I'm going for the Eagle Waffle.
Because you are that.
A couple minutes away from race. Still on pit road. Introduction's all done. Crowd's getting settled in. Grandstand's behind us on the front stretch. She's excited. She got brushed by a couple drivers. Right?
Yeah.
Like getting right by. So we're ready for some fun. We're gonna venture around the road course. Yeah, you gotta go.
I have to back up because I'm short and you want your face in the frame. I would like to be more than a floating head.
to get ready for action here at 90 Laps. GoBowling.com. Get ready. Like so far, good crowd on hand. Here we go, right behind me. Get ready to go on the starting grid and everything. Gonna get first lap coming up very shortly. They got the yellow caution out. Soon, they'll wait the green flag. But you want to try that one time? Just again, pit crew for a day, learn how to just get the bolts off and on, tires on, gas, no. As we hear them coming right down the front stretch again. There we go, it's green lap. Coming up very shortly.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here they come. Row number 6, getting ready to go under the green flag and start the Go Bowling at the flag. The entire field of cars, 36 in all. What's the waiting to turn number 7? So far, they start from down Watkins Glen. Working their way down the straightaway, waiting for the green flag to fly.
That is such a cool feeling. You can feel the vibrations up to your chest when those cars go by. I am gonna go deaf though.
Yeah, we won't be by the pit road for at least for a long time.
Yeah.
At least pit road, so we'll definitely go up to the press box. We're getting back to the media, but how you enjoyed it so far?
It's really cool, like just being this close.
We already got someone sliding off the race. Again, nothing to it. Forward a yellow flag, so we're good.
Yeah.
Still going.
But it's really cool so far to be this close to the sound, just the feel of being close to the track.
Here they go.
It's crazy.
We made it up top now to the media viewing terrace, right by Victory Lane, which is just right below us. So, not too bad. Here they come. Here at the Go Bowling at the Glen race, as again we are taking off again, at least before the winner's announced, or at least crosses the finish line. So again, we exited out around lap 60 to beat the crowd, because again we got the 3.5 hour drive back to Du Bois, but very enjoyable time. She's happy, she's enjoyed it. She wanted the die-cast car for her birthday, as we saw the one person get, but you know, maybe next year. She's happy with her ice cream. Oh, we're gonna make the long road trip back to Pennsylvania, but fun times. It's warm. We're ready to go back home.
It's crazy to think that people camp out here.
Yeah.
Waiting for races like this.
They do it for days.
I know, that's crazy. I mean, it might be nice that you're right here.
Yeah.
If you're into that sort of thing.
Holy shit. That's cool.
Ooh, that was really cool. I wonder what it sounds like when you're in the tunnel.
We can wait if you want.
I think so, you should.
It's gonna be a while. At least,
minute? It's
yeah,
like
a
shady
couple
here.
minutes, yeah.
I'm all sticky to the ice cream.
Put it on the blooper reel. Exactly. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, yeah.
I got the sprinkle cut, my crow.
I love her. It's not as loud as I thought it would be.
No.
At least in the tunnel, it blocks it out.